Hello everyone. In this video we have given a triangle ABC in which the angle A is equal to x degree and angle B is equal to 2x degree. Now we draw another triangle BDE which intersect A, B at point D and AC at point F. In this triangle, the angle E is y degree, while the angle AFE is 3 times y degree, and moreover, the angle CFE is 63 degree. By this given information, we have to find the value of x plus y. Now let's move toward the solution. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Now from the triangle ABC, we know that the sum of all interior angle is equal to 180 degree, and substituting the given values we have x plus 2x plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, and from here we have angle BCA is equal to 180 minus 3x. Now this angle since this angle is 180 minus 3x, and this line segment ECB, and this whole angle is 180 degree, so from here we can see that angle ECF, that is equal to 3x degree. So next, moving towards the triangle CEF, we have the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, which I have written over here, and from here we can find 3x plus y is equal to 117 degree. Now from the line segment AFC, the angle AEF which is equal to 3y, and the angle EFC which is actually 63 degree is equal to 180 degree, and from here 3y is equal to 117 degree and y is equal to 39 degree. Now substituting this value of y in this equation, we will get 3x plus 39 degree is equal to 117 degree, and from here 3x is 78 and then x is equal to 26 degree. Now we sum these two equations, y is equal to 39 and x is equal to 26. We will get finally x plus y is equal to 65 degree, which is the required answer. Thank you for watching.